With MapStory, uploading your geospatial work is simple. Soon we will allow a wide variety of formats to upload. In order to upload StoryLayers, probably the simplest way is to take all your files, including a style file if you have one, and drag and drop them, add a title and description, and click Upload. After the data is uploaded, MapStory will ask you how you'd like to use the time attributes. MapStory will automatically have your story layers mapped and animated for you. Going into some more detail, you will likely want to add color and other styling to your data. For this, you can either add a style layer descriptor file with the same name as the shapefile, or you can use the style editor provided in the full screen editing mode. All of this will be described in the video on styling. When choosing how you want to deal with time in your story layer, you have the option to choose both a time attribute and an optional end time attribute. The attributes in your data will be in a drop-down that you can simply choose from. In both cases, you should choose the attribute in your data that represents the time you want your features associated with. Data should be in a standard time encoding, which will be described on the page. If time data is in a variant of the standard time encoding, MapStory will do its best to guess. If it's not in a variant, you can specify a customized way for MapStory to read your data, and it will be timestamped accordingly. MapStory can show change down to the second if needed, and soon we will allow you to go billions of years into the past and millions of years into the future. When all the information is set, you can take a look and see if it worked. At any time, you can add or change the title and description. You can also begin collaborating using the story layer. You can share it, you can organize it, and you or anyone can comment on it beneath. And of course, you can use the story layer in creating map stories. At any point along the way, if you're having any trouble, you can find more documentation or ask someone in the MapStory community for help.